Welcome to our channel Health and Beauty. We are here with a new video for you. Are you tired of mindlessly eating your meals and not really saving the flavors? It's time to start practicing mindful eating, a practice that not only helps you enjoy your food more but also improves your overall health. And the best part is, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious foods that can help you do just that. In this video, we will explore some of these foods and their benefits. Segment 1. Let's start with a fan favorite. Berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these little gems are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Plus, they're high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Not to mention, they're a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging in less healthy options. Segment 2. Dark leafy greens. Next up, we have dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for weight management. And if you're not a fan of the taste, try mixing them into a smoothie or sauteing them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Segment 3. Nuts and seeds. Moving on, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are just a few examples of these nutritious foods that can help improve your health. Nuts and seeds are high in healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. They're also a great source of protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Segment 4. Whole grains. Finally, let's talk about whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. These grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help lower your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Plus, they can help keep you feeling full and energized for longer periods of time, making them a great option for busy days. 1. Avocado. First on our list is the beloved avocado. Not only is it a delicious addition to any meal, but it's also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Studies have shown that consuming avocados can improve heart health by lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It's also been linked to improved digestion and better weight management. So, go ahead and add some avocado to your toast or salad and reap the benefits. 2. Quinoa. Last but not least, we have quinoa, a versatile and nutritious grain that's become increasingly popular in recent years. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. It's also gluten-free, making it a perfect alternative for those with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Incorporate quinoa into your meals as a side dish, salad, or even as a substitute for rice. Outro. There you have it, folks. Some delicious and nutritious foods to help you practice mindful eating and improve your overall health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. So take your time, savor each bite, and enjoy the benefits of mindful eating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe of our video.